Experience the epitome of luxury with Naturium's The Glow Getter Multi-Oil Hydrating Body Wash. Priced at $185, this exquisite body wash delivers a pampering shower experience like no other. Firstly, let's talk about its texture. Upon application, the rich oil consistency transforms into a velvety lather, enveloping your skin in a cocoon of indulgence. This sensorial delight not only cleanses but also nourishes, leaving your skin feeling replenished and rejuvenated. The secret behind its efficacy lies in its stellar ingredients. With over 50% glycerin, alongside a blend of linoleic-rich oils and plant-derived squalane, this body wash is a powerhouse of hydration. Say goodbye to dry, lackluster skin and hello to a radiant, glowing complexion. But the benefits don't stop there. Naturium's formula is designed to restore and rebalance the skin's barrier, ensuring optimal moisture retention. Bid farewell to tight, uncomfortable skin as you embrace a newfound sense of comfort and suppleness. What truly sets this body wash apart is its ability to cleanse without stripping away essential moisture. Unlike harsh soaps that leave behind a residue, Naturium rinses clean, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and residue-free. After just one use, you'll notice a remarkable difference. Your skin will be left nourished, hydrated, and visibly glowing, radiating health and vitality. Naturium's The Glow Getter Multi-Oil Hydrating Body Wash is more than just a cleanser, it's a luxurious treat for your skin. Elevate your shower routine to new heights and indulge in the ultimate pampering experience. I have been using this body wash for almost 2 weeks, and my skin is improving very well. I like how the oil form transforms into a gentle lather and cleans my skin without removing the essential moisture. My skin feels more hydrated, and it looks healthier. First off, I love how it comes in a pump. Makes it easy to use in the shower. The Lux oil easily turns into a foamy lather and smells exactly like buttered popcorn. After washing it off, my skin feels moisturized, but not greasy. This is great for those with dry skin or dry spots. The price point is very high for a body wash, but I'm enjoying it so far.